Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine, and here today I'm going to bring you a look using CoverGirl's Lash Blast products, and we're really going to focus on the eyes and make our lashes flawless today. So first we're going to start off with the Lash Blast Lash and Brow Serum. This right here is a transparent, really nice serum that you can put on your lashes and your brows before applicating products, and this actually makes your brows appear thicker and fuller and stronger after 30 days. I've been using this for a while and I love the fullness it's giving my lashes and my brows. Now starting with my eyes, I'm going to use the Exhibitionist Lid Paint. This is new from CoverGirl and it's great on its own or as a base for eyeshadow. Today I'm using it on its own because it's just so pretty. Look at this, it's got so much coverage and the color is just gorgeous. I'm going to dab it on with my finger and just blend it out, and then I'll get a little bit more, and then when you layer it, and then I could just see the color come out even more. And then I'm just going to put some on a little brush and blend it out on the edges. Now I'm going to use one of the TruNaked Quad Eyeshadow Palettes. This is also new from CoverGirl and it comes in 6 different shades. I'm going to use this white color to highlight the inner corner of my eye, and it just goes so good with the color on my eyelids. Now time for the star of this video. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes first because I always love to do this. So here is CoverGirl's Lash Blast products for the eyelashes. So first we're going to start off with the Lash Blast Amplify Primer. So this is a white eyelash primer and you put it on underneath your mascara. And this is also a conditioning formula that features microfibers and contains argan oil, jojoba, and coconut oils. So it's really good for your lashes, and this primer gives even better results once the mascara is applied. Now time for the Lash Blast Volume Mascara, CoverGirl's True Amazing product. I cannot get over this product. It is one of my favorites. There's no clumping, no flaking, no smudging, and you actually get 200% more volume lashes compared to your bare lashes. Look at this. It just looks so good. This Lash Blast Volume Mascara gives you full and voluminous lashes that you've always wanted. See, this is with the mascara on and then without. Y'all see that difference? It just looks so good. The primer plus the mascara, the best. Now for lips, I'm going to use the Outlast Ultimatte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Spritz Blitz. It is such a beautiful color. These go on so smooth and they literally stay on all day long and don't feel dry on your lips at all. I will wear these every single day. And there we go. This is the final look. Look at those amazing eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this look using Lash Blast products, and thank you CoverGirl for having me.